Hi, this is Jay. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 important points for speed up your internet connections. Many home internet users using low bandwidth internet connection so that they can't browse faster. But sometimes high-speed internet user also suffered from slow internet connections. If you are using high-speed internet connection, still your internet is slow down. First, you have to check your internet connection speed by using Internet Speed Test online tool. If your internet download speed result will be lower than your planned speed, then you have to contact your internet service provider to resolve this issue. Otherwise, you must check some other points to resolve slow internet download issues. You can resolve this problem by using following points. Number 1. Check your hardware. You must check your internet hardware such as modem or Ethernet card. Just unblock and reblock it the data cable or reset the connection. If you are using more than 3 years, you must check the condition with your service provider. Number 2. Remove browser extension and cache. Many people install too many extensions in their browser. Some extension always connected with the internet connection, so that this will be definitely slow down your internet connection. So must uninstall the unwanted extension. Also clear your browser history and cache at least once a week. Number 3. Turn off download manager. If you are currently downloading by using uTorrent downloader or other download manager, that will be completely getting your download speed. So you must turn off or allocate lower download and upload limit in download manager. Number 4. Scan your computer regularly. Always scan your computer completely with the best antivirus software. If any of your computer files affected in virus or malware, then your internet connection will be slowed down. So you must scan your entire computer at least once a month. Also, you can check your computer there is any malware application is installed. Sometimes malware application will be installed without your knowledge. Number 5. Check your computer. Your computer configuration, very important to at least is the high speed internet connection. If you have a low configuration system, then your internet connection will be slowed down. If your computer have a good configuration but still slow down, you have to focus on the following important points. Always defragmenting disk clean up your computer. Then C drive space should be minimum 5 GB for free. This will be really increase the memory for speed up your computer. Check your computer memory status in task manager. If this occupied more than 60%, then your internet connection will be slowed down. Remove unused application from your computer because some apps always occupied your computer memory. All of these 5 points really improve your internet connection speed. If you resolve the 5 important points in your computer, then your internet connection speed will be really improved. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, you can enter the comment section.